Welcome to my room. This is Chapel Glen. This is my bed. I got the wooden one, which is a removable thing. It definitely stays on because I do not want to be breaking my body when I sleep. My desk set up, got some snacks, some tissues. The best snack on the planet. Got some cute little tchotchkes from home. This was from the Financial Wellness Center, actually. Shout out. Little froggy. I got some jewelry. I actually made this. My friend taught me to crochet, and I just made this new gallery wall. Let me show you. These two at that, what was that, Poster Invasion? Oh, I love that. A gift from my big. I'm in Kappa. Photos from home. More photos, a little printout. I got that at the Women's Resource Center. They have a little table full of cards, so I picked one up. A U newspaper. There's so much U stuff here. It's gonna be my Barbie costume if I'm Barbie. I think my favorite part of my room is all these cards. This is my casa. I love it.